In today's video, I am going to teach you how to understand Notion's second brain. Start by opening Notion and heading to the Getting Started page. This is a helpful launch point because it gives you quick access to Notion features and the template marketplace, which is where many second brain systems live. Once you are on the Getting Started page, click Explore. Explore is where you can browse and search templates that other creators have built, including full dashboards designed for productivity and knowledge management. Next, go to the search bar and type in Highlight. As you type, pay attention to the results that appear, because this is how you will quickly narrow down to the right template collection. From the results, click on Second Brain to open the template listing connected to that search. When you see the template you want, click Add. This installs the template into your Notion workspace so you can start using it right away. If Notion asks where to place it, click New Teamspace. This keeps your second brain organized in a dedicated area, which makes it easier to find later and reduces clutter in your main pages. After that, click Highlight again in the interface, and then select Second Brain by Brain Blocks. You will then click Second Brain by Brain Blocks one more time to open the main dashboard page for the system. Think of this dashboard as your control center. It is designed to connect your tasks, projects, and knowledge in one place. Now you will tour the main sections so you understand what each part is for. Click My Areas to view the major areas of responsibility you manage, like work, personal, or health. Then click Featured Tasks to see the tasks you want to keep visible and prioritized. Click Upcoming Tasks to check what is scheduled soon, which helps you plan your next actions. Next, click Projects to view bigger outcomes with multiple steps, and then click Resources and References for stored material like links, documents, and research. Click Notes and Lists for quick written notes, checklists, and running lists you want to keep. To see how the dashboard is organized visually, click Panels. Then click Productivity, Knowledge, and Results to understand the 3 high-level categories this second brain uses to group information. Finally, click Quick Capture. This is where you rapidly save ideas and tasks the moment they appear, so nothing gets lost. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.